I am going to give the palette a complete 10 out of 10. Even if it wasn't a 10 out of 10, I would give it a 10 out of 10 because in the words of the famous Issa Rae, I am rooting for everyone black. Period. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Winnie J. I do videos on beauty, hair, lifestyle, makeup, all of that good stuff. Today's video is so exciting. It's all about Tammi times makeup revolution, and this is called the Tropical Twilight release. I'm about 2 months late, guys, never mind. So I'm always late. So today I'm trying out the eyeshadow palette, the quad palette, and also the lip glosses and the lip liner. You guys know it already. I'm smiling, so that means I am so excited. So it's all about golden hour, and I took some pictures in the golden hour so you guys can have a look. How bomb. But anyways guys, if you want to see what I think, play with some colors, some information about the palette, keep on watching the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. So I picked up the Twilight shadow palette, and this one was £20. And then I also picked up the Paradise Glow face palette, and it's all in the packaging. And I also picked up the 3O lip set. I like the packaging because it's different, and I feel like a lot of makeup these days are targeted towards, you know, neutral and minimalist. Like, no. Makeup should be exciting and it should be fresh, and this is what this shows me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the package and let's see how it looks inside. Okay guys, so this is how the palette looks. I literally just opened it, and my first impressions are it has a mirror. Hi, it has a mirror, and guys, if it has a mirror, you can travel with it. The worst thing is when you buy those really expensive palettes and they have no mirror. So this palette is broken down into, I'm gonna move this back so it doesn't reflect in my ring light. So this is how the palette looks. You're getting all of these, let me see, 6, 7. 7 fours are 28. So you get 28 shadows for £20. That's crazy. Okay, I really like that the size are big. They're square pans, which is quite different. Most of my palettes have like a round pan. I think the fact that it has on the matte shades, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna bring it closer so that you guys can see there's actual palm trees stamped into the matte shadows. How cool is that? As let's get into the breakdown of the palette. I had to write this down, so give you guys a thumbs up because I do my research. So the top row has neutral matte shades, and the ones that stand out to me the most are Sundown, because I do love a reddish, ooh, that's pretty. And that was like a little bit of a dab, and then swatch. As we know, swatches don't always tell you the true color story, but it looks amazing, and there's a lot of pigment. So that's Sundown from the matte neutral shades. Okay guys, so the second row are made up of neutral shimmer shades, and oh, what colors stand out to me? Firefly. Firefly is, oh, look at that. Look at that pickup. Like a beautiful rusty green. There's hints of gold, there's hints of green, and there's hints of black. Oh, guys, this is so gorgeous. I know these are shimmer shades, but I would actually call it like a glitter shade. I know it's not showing up the best on camera, hopefully you guys can see, but it's very, very iridescent. It's reflective, like it's just gorgeous. Definitely say Firefly is more of a glitter shade than a shimmer shade. I don't know if that's stated, but it's fine, it's whatever, it looks good. So the next row are the colorful matte shades, and I'll tell you straight away, I'm going for Dusk. Dusk is the one. I love a yellow shadow. This is more of like a mustard yellow. Definitely would need to apply your primer for this to show up, but it's showing up beautifully on my arm, so the swatches are good. So the last row are shimmery shades, colorful shimmery shades. So the first one I'm going to swatch is Ocean, because it just looks gorgeous. That's what Ocean looks like. I love that. I don't know if you guys can see the shimmer, but it's very much there, very beautiful. The next one I'm going to swatch is Cocktail, and Cocktail is very much like the Firefly shade. It's more like a glitter shade. Have a look. Oh, guys, why is Carnival cancelled? This could have been my carnival eye look. This is gorgeous. I love that, and I like pink. You can see I'm wearing it today. So that would have been such a beautiful carnival look. You can create a good carnival look with that one. And so, as I said, this is the same consistency as Firefly. It's like a shimmery glitter shimmer. I'm going to go ahead and apply. I don't know what eye look I want to do. I have options, guys, so I don't know. Okay, guys, we're just playing in makeup. So I'm going to use the mirror from the actual palette. Hopefully I won't get it blocking my face. And I'm going to go ahead and apply Sundown. Ooh, look at the pickup on the brush. Can you see that? It's gorgeous. So there's a good amount of pickup on the brush, but there's also quite a bit of fallout. I'm going to go and start applying that above my crease. Oh, that's red. Jesus Christ. The brush I'm using is my Define Crease brush by Zoeva. And guys, there is a lot of pigment. So guys, my camera cut off, but I also went ahead and applied True Love just to give the shade a bit more dimension and to take away some of that red madness. Oh, that's so cute. Okay guys, so I went ahead with Tanned and I used it to be a nice transition between the shadow and to get rid of the harsh line. And I went back in with Sundown and Horizon to intensify the colour again. Okay guys, so this is Afterglow and I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hill brush, one of them that comes in the palette. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my lid. I'm not doing a cut crease, guys. That is not my area of expertise, so I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to literally apply the shadow to my lid. I don't know if I mentioned, but this is a cream to powder formula. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to this eye, and then I'll come back. Guys, so I wanted to use every one of the shade Story on my lid. So I'm going to go in with Cocktail, which is more of like a glittery shimmer, I would say, and I'm going to use that on the look at that, intensify. Okay, I am going to give the palette a complete 10 out of 10. Even if it wasn't a 10 out of 10, I would give it a 10 out of 10 because in the words of the famous Issa Rae, I am rooting for everyone black, period. See guys, this is such a fabulous palette. The colors are amazing. The color themes are amazing. You get a mix of mattes and neutrals and shimmers, cream to powder. It is just gorgeous. So well done for this one. So I've applied my base. So now I'm going to go in with the, yay! This is what I'm most excited for. Golden Hour face palette, and it consists of, let me give you all the specs. So the quad face palette, and it's called Golden Hour. Beautiful. And so it comes with four what can I say, 4 things in there. So it comes with 4 things. It comes first with this beautiful golden highlight, and I like it. It's called Golden Hour. It's beautiful, like a typical highlight. Let me swatch it actually so you guys can see. Oh, this is like very, very gold, very gold. You can see that here. That's going to look beautiful. I can't wait to try it. And it comes with a blush, and the blush is called Blushed Baby Girl. And I forgot to mention, in the blush, the bronzer and the contour, it also has like the palm trees in it. And that's, oh. You can even double using the blush as an eyeshadow. That would look so cute. And then the contour is called Bronze Belle. And no, this is not the contour, sorry. This is a bronzer. Definitely like a reddish bronzer. I also have the what do you call it, those bronzers from Revolution, what are they called? So the bronzers I'm talking about, they're called the Golden Splendor bronzers. So I did a video on them, so it's right here, check it out. But make sure you finish watching this video, then you open that in the new tab and you watch that one. So but I'm excited to try this one. And last but not least, we have the contour, and it's called Contour Chic, and that's the contour right here. It's more of a cool tone. Contours are meant to be cool toned, whereas contour, yeah, that's right, contours are meant to be cool toned and bronzers are meant to be more reddish. There's a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. Like, we can deal with fallout. I don't find fallout to be a big issue. Just tidy up when you're done. So it picks up a lot of pigment on my brush, as you can see, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. Beautiful. Okay. I don't even have to say anything. Look at the difference. That, guys, please contour your face. I'm only new to like the contour game. I used to like bronzing before, but look at the difference. I lost like 5 pounds on this side of my face. I really do like a powder contour. I just find it easier to blend, easier to work with. Oh, this is gorgeous. I see this becoming a permanent member of my makeup family only because it has everything that I need in one place, and that's what I like about it. So next we are going to go in with the bronzer, which I am so excited to try. I'm going to use my Luxe highlight. It's not the right brush, but I like it for applying bronzer. And again, this one has a lot of fallout, but you can see there a lot of color pickup as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my, oh, oh, okay. There I go again, doing too much. You know, I do the most. I think I have to be a bit more light-handed, and I won't use this as a bronzer. I would use it as a blush because I think it would look amazing as a blush. Speaking of blushes, I'm gonna go ahead and apply Blush Baby Girl to my cheeks. I'm gonna go ahead with my Luxe Cheek Finish and go and apply Blush Baby Girl. I'm gonna try to be a bit light-handed because you know me. See, even when I try, it doesn't work. It's just gonna be extra. Okay. Do you know what? I'll tell you a story. When I was younger, I used to think like blush was like so auntie-ish. Like, who wears a blush? But now I live for blushes. This is gorgeous. Ooh. Oh, guys, I love how this looks. I'm gonna go ahead now with the Golden Hour as my highlight, and I'm going to apply that to the high points of my cheek, just here. Oh, you guys can even see that. See, that's gorgeous. Guys, what I will say is that you have to be very, very light with this kind of highlight because it does pick up a lot, which is a good thing. That is not a negative at all. I'm gonna apply some to my, yeah, that looks so cute. I'm gonna apply some to my tear ducts. So that's the Golden Hour quad palette, face palette. I really like this. I like the contour. I love the contour actually. I like the bronzer, I like the blush, and I like the highlight. You just have to be a bit light-handed. Me, I'm heavy-handed. I even drive like a crazy person. So last but not least, and the reason why this video is so late, is the lip trio. Guys, this was sold out. It still is sold out from Makeup Revolution. You can't find it in Superdrug. I was lucky enough because ASOS just launched it, and I checked on ASOS and it was there. So I was like, what the hell? Come on, come through. So I finally got my hand on the 3.0 lip kit. So this is the same theme as before. It has the beautiful palm trees. I've already taken it out. I'm so excited. And yeah, just gorgeous. We like a consistent packaging idea, and it comes with 2 lip glosses and a lip pencil. So I don't think Tammi curated these. I think these are a Revolution staple. So I'm swatching the glow. Oh, this is like a beautiful neutral brown, I would say, very dark brown. Then I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the Muse. Oh, this is nice. I like that. That's pretty. That's the Muse lip gloss. I don't own any of the Revolution lip gloss. And then this one is the Gone Rogue. And that's how that looks. That's cute. Oh, those are so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and apply Glory. Now I'm gonna apply Muse. Okay, the lip gloss is a definite yes for me, but that lip liner is a no. I know, like, it's not, Tammi didn't make this formula or this lip pencil, but it's just a hot mess for me. It was breaking. I think this is just a bad one. I'm going to apply some of the golden hour to the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and also my cupid's bow. People still do that, like apply makeup to like their cupid's bow and stuff. I know I do. They're probably going to be like, oh my god, I say like 1990s. Like, okay. What's your point? I'm joking. The pigment on this lip gloss is actually amazing. I really like it. As I'm applying it, all I'm thinking about is that Lil Mama song, my lip gloss is popping, my lip gloss is cool. This is literally popping. I like the shine, I like the color pigment, I like how it applies. It does transfer, but that's okay. To get lips like these, kissable lips, we don't mind a little bit of transfer, do we? So honestly guys, okay, this is the end of the video. I just had to like do the hair, like the lace was melting the best it can. She slayed this, like Tammi slayed this. I am in love with all of the products. I love my lips, I love my eyes, I like my blush. It's doing a bit much, but that's okay. So those are my final thoughts, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.